Hello guys, what's going on internet? This is me Yusuf Fadil from Graphic Bytes. Today we are going to learn how you can add a reflection in the water. We have a mountain here, and then we have a water here, and then we the mountain reflection is not visible in the water. So then I will tell you how you can add a reflection of mountain in this water. Okay, so let's start by selection of this mountain first. Let's do that like this way, like selected this area. Okay, and then you can just press copy, and then you can make a new layer and just paste. Okay, then you have another layer now, and then what you can do is you can just rotate this layer like this way. By using Control T, you can just use a selection, and then you can just rotate this. Okay, and then you can just drag it to the equivalent to this one, and then you can see that we have just little bit opposite thing. So then how you can fix this thing to make it equal to this thing, because now we have this house here and then we have this house here. So how you can make them equal, so then it can looks like this water should be look here. So you can just go edit, and you can just go flip horizontal. So then it's now fixed. So now you can see that house is here and then this is here, and these are also fine. And then just make it little bit adjustment from here, like little bit down. Okay, and what you can do is you can just make the opacity of this one little bit down, so then it can be visible from the water, like little bit this way. Okay, so like little bit you can adjust whatever you want. Okay, so it can be vary however you want, so then you can do that. And then we can use the razor tool from just removing something from here. They are not relevant here, so then we can remove those things from here to make it more things to be clear and more visible. So this is done, and we are good with this. And this is our today tutorial that I did for you to show you how you can add a reflection of mountain in the water. Hope you will like this tutorial. If you like, so then please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.